So, for those of you that don't know Chevrolet Blazer ZR2s, the fender flares are held in with brackets on the body. They've got screws under here that go into a bracket. So they've got bolts inside here going into brackets like this. I took this off because I saw this bubbling here and thought, oh, well, this fender, you know, hopefully it's just surface rust. Nope. It is not surface rust. It is foobar. Factory ZR2 Blazers are held in with these brackets, which are out a 10mm bolt on the back side inside here, which go through that. I guess that's a better view there. So if you're lucky to get all, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 off, you know, you're looking at that in the Great White North. And I doubt you can buy these brackets from Chevrolet. You probably can for an absurd amount of money. The flares themselves are apparently about 500 American each, if they're even available anymore. So don't do what I did, and plan on the absolute worst if you're anywhere north of the Mason-Dixon at this point, because this stuff is just garbage.